Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Oki Saputra, a student BSI Pemuda Kampus. Okay, this time I'm going to share my opinion or assumptions about smoking on campus. But before that, let's first understand the danger of smoking for our health. As we know, smoking can slowly damage our organs and becomes a ticking time bomb for our health. During the era of Sri Mulyani, cigarette taxes were increased to ensure that only certain group could afford cigarettes. Therefore, those who were able to afford them would be better off using their money for
Oki ada WhatsApp.
daily necessities or family needs. The government is trying to case about public health, but what can we do once it becomes a habit? It will be very difficult to stop. So, in my personal opinion, smoking on campus is absolutely unacceptable. Moreover, as we all know, beside damages our organs, as active and passive smoker, smoking on campus can also damage the reputation of the campus. Therefore, to all active and passive smoker, reduce your smoking for the sake of everyone's health. For that, all I have to say. I ask for forgiveness for any shortcoming for excess. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. How are you today? Okay. Allow me to convey material with the theme of capital in interrogative senses. Okay, just go straight to it. Number one, string request model. How to ask for literally and effective in effectively in English. And what are request model? Modal verbs are actually modal verbs are request modal verbs are actually verbs that express requests, permission, abilities, and obligation. They are the building block of flight communication. Okay. Can, basic ability or casual request. Could, quality, quality, possibility of formal request. Will, featured action or casual request. Would, conditional or very formal request. And then may, permission high formal tone, sorry. Next. Next. Okay. Basic structure of request modal. Golden formula. Modal verb and subject and base verb infinity. Can you sorry. Can you help me? Simple direct request using base form of help. Okay. Could you paste the short complete request with object complete? And then would you please open the window? Open the window. Open the window. Open you please. Would you please open the window? Formal request with please for emphasis. Notice how the base verb always follow the modal directs with you to in between this structure and remain consistent across all request modal. And then structure. Okay. Next, the 4K request modal and their formality. Casual, politics, could you, formal, may. Okay, can and will. Use with friend, family, or casual workplace situation. Politics, could word, perfect for striker, superior, and formal setting. Formal, may reserve for permission request in very formal context. Okay. Casual example. Can you lend me your friend? Formal example. Could you lend me your pen, please? Okay. Next. Valid request variation. Would you mean the parts? What you mean in for ink or creative exfoliation? Sorry, externally valid request. The structure is softer and often be referred in professional or sensitive situation. Disclaimer: I am speak English little. I'm so sorry. Okay, next. Would you mind closing the door? Would you mind closing the door? Okay. Indirect phrasing makes the request feel less demanding and more considerate. Would you mind not using your phone? Okay. Negative request sound less hard when using the polite contraction. And then, would you mind reviewing the report? Perfect for delegating takes respectfully in professional environment. Okay, next, making requests negative, asking not to do something. Okay, Could you not talk on your phone during the movie? Use not between the modal and verb for negative requests. 2. Will you not disrupt me while I'm working, please? Ending, please. Soften potential hard negative requests. And then 3. Would you mind not interrupting during presentation? The words you mind structure work excellently for negative request. Okay. Next, how to respond to request politely. Okay. And then affirmation respond and polite refusals. Yes, I can. Certainly, I do that. Sure, happy to have. Of course, no problem. Polite refusal. Sorry, I can. I did love to bat and busy. Unfortunately, I'm a natural too. I appreciate the S but can. Okay. Next, real world example of request modal in action. Okay. Next, summary speak with confidence and courtesy. Master your modal, request modal are essential tool for college effective English communication external context. Okay, match for reality level mentioned with please for practice consulting. Okay, okay, that's probably all I can say. I apologize if my English is a bit sharp. I and by saying good morning. Thank you.